Winter is coming.
And winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Let me ask you something. Right now, while your classmates are hibernating, binge-watching shows, and telling themselves they'll start studying in January, what if you use these next 90 days to completely transform yourself? What if by the time everyone else is just waking up in the new year, you're already months ahead? That's what the winter arc is all about. And if you're sitting there thinking, yeah, but I always say I'll change, and then I don't, trust me, I get it. But here's the difference. This isn't about some crazy motivation that lasts 3 days. This is about using the coldest, darkest months of the year, when everyone else is slowing down, to build momentum that will carry you through the entire year. So if you're ready to stop being lazy, stop falling behind, and actually become the student you know you're capable of being, then watch this video till the end, because I'm going to give you the complete winter arc blueprint, a real actionable 90-day plan that actually works. Let's get into it. Why winter is your secret weapon. Here's something most students don't realize. Winter is the best time to build yourself. The days are shorter, it's cold outside, everyone's staying in. There are fewer distractions, fewer parties, fewer let's hang out texts. While summer is full of noise and chaos, winter is quiet. And in that quietness, you can focus. But here's what usually happens instead. Students treat winter like hibernation season. They sleep more, study less, and convince themselves it's okay because it's too cold, or it's the holidays. And you know what? By the time spring comes, they're so far behind that catching up feels impossible. The truth is, winter doesn't make you lazy. You choose to be lazy, and that's actually good news, because it means you can also choose to be disciplined. I had a friend who failed his first semester. Everyone told him to relax during winter break, but instead, he spent those 90 days fixing everything. By the time classes started again, he wasn't just caught up, he was leading the class. That's the power of a winter arc. The 3 phases of your winter arc. Your 90 days break down into 3 simple phases. Each one builds on the last. Phase 1, the foundation. Days 1 to 30. The first month is not about going hard, it's about building the foundation. Most students fail their winter arc in the first week because they try to change everything at once. Don't be that person. Week 1, audit your life. Where does your time actually go? How many hours are you wasting on your phone? Write it all down. This isn't about judging yourself, it's about seeing the truth. Week 2, design your environment. Clean your study space. Delete time-wasting apps. Make studying the path of least resistance. Your environment controls your behavior more than your willpower. Week 3, install basic habits. Wake up at the same time every day. Study at the same time every day. Sleep at the same time every day. That's it. Your brain loves patterns. When you do the same thing at the same time, it becomes automatic. Week 4, identify your weak subjects. Be honest about what you don't understand. Make a list. These are your targets for the next 60 days. Phase 2, the grind. Days 31 to 60. Month 1 was about building the foundation. Month 2 is where you actually start working. This is the hardest phase. This is where most people quit. Here's your daily structure. Morning. 90 minutes of deep focus on your hardest subject. No phone, no distractions. Use Pomodoro-style intervals, 25/5 if you're starting, or 45/10 if you can hold deep focus. Afternoon, active learning, practice problems, flashcards, teaching concepts to yourself out loud. Don't just read, do. Evening, 60 minutes of review and planning. What did you learn today? What do you need to work on tomorrow? Around day 45, you're going to hit a wall. You'll feel tired. You'll want to quit. Everyone hits this. Here's what you do. You don't quit. You just keep going. One day at a time. This is where discipline proves itself. Phase 3, the acceleration. Days 61 to 90. By day 60, something magical happens. Your habits are locked in. Your focus is sharper. Now you don't just maintain, you accelerate. Add 30 more minutes of focused study. Take on harder problems. Start teaching others what you've learned. Take past papers. Do mock exams. Test yourself relentlessly. This is uncomfortable, but it's necessary. Use the last 2 weeks to plan what comes next. Your winter arc doesn't end on day 90. It transitions into your spring momentum. You use the momentum you've built to go even further. The 5 non-negotiables. There are certain things you must do every single day for this to work. No excuses. 1. Protect your sleep. 7 to 8 hours. Studying at 2 a.m. doesn't make you dedicated. It makes you stupid. 2. Move your body, even 20 minutes a day. Your brain works better when your body moves. 3. Eat real food. Junk food crashes your energy. Stop eating garbage that makes you feel like garbage. 4. Zero social media during study hours. Not less. Zero. It's not a reward. It's a distraction disguised as a reward. 5. 1 day off per week. Rest isn't lazy. Rest is strategic. Take 1 full day to recover, then get back to work. What happens after your winter arc? Let me tell you what happens when you actually complete a 90-day winter arc. Your classmates come back in January. Sluggish, unfocused, behind. You come back sharp, disciplined, ahead. While they're trying to remember what they learned last semester, you've already mastered it and moved on. Your grades improve. Not because you got smarter, because you got more discipline. Your confidence skyrockets. Not because someone told you you're great, because you prove to yourself that you can do hard things. I'm not going to lie to you. These 90 days won't be easy. There will be days you don't want to study. There will be days when your friends are out having fun and you're inside working. But here's what I know. Those 90 days of discipline will give you years of freedom. Those 90 days of sacrifice will separate you from everyone who chose comfort. Your first step starts today. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Right now, today, choose your start date. Write down your 3 main goals for the next 90 days. Tell someone you trust what you're doing, and then wake up tomorrow and start. Not perfectly, just start. Because the winter arc isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's about showing up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. If this video gave you even a small push, hit that like button. Share it with a friend who needs to hear this. And subscribe, because I'm going to keep making videos that help you become better. Your winter arc starts now. Don't waste it.